My channel, you guys. This video is sponsored today by Cynosure Hair. Now they did send me a 24-inch water wave unit. And this unit is at 180% density, very full, as you guys can see. Now I did put product in this hair. I'm not sure if you guys could tell, which you probably could tell. I put a little product in this hair. Now the wig is definitely fuller than this, so that's really something I want to point out first before we get into the actual install of this unit. So with the 13x4, you can definitely do a middle part, you can do a side part, you can do an updo look, a half up half down look, whatever you choose. The 13x4s are usually more versatile. But of course, if you've been following my channel for a while now, you do know that middle parts are my style. I was thinking about doing a side part, but I'm like, nah, like I don't want any hair in my face. Like, so, I mean, hair is in my face, but it's not like on my face, if you know what I mean, as far as the side part goes. So before we get into the install of this unit, you guys, I do want to show you guys a new fragrance that I did get from Dossier. As you guys know, I have been partnering with them for a while now, and so the new scent that I have now is the Floral Lang Lang, which is an inspired Chanel fragrance. You guys, of course, this is how the bottle looks. There's a lot of glare, so I don't want to put it to the camera and then it's still a glare in it. But yes, you guys, so I have been using this perfume for a couple of days now, and I'm telling you guys, this one by far is really my favorite. This is definitely a woman's fragrance, for sure. This is definitely something like, oh my god, like whenever you just want to get up and go, a date night, like anytime you want to wear this, this is definitely that perfume. I love womanly fragrances. Like, I have it on right now, like no lie, this fragrance will last you the whole day, okay? I didn't even know Chanel had it like this, okay? This is a great fragrance. I definitely would suggest that you guys check this out. So if you guys don't know, Dossier is a perfume company that you can get designer perfume at an affordable price. So it's not just for women, it's also for men as well, and then they also have unisex. So if you're looking for Chanel specifically, definitely go on the Dossier website, and then you would type in Chanel, and then you'll see a whole bunch of options coming up, and then of course they're going to let you know if anything is sold out. But if you're wanting this fragrance, I would definitely suggest this fragrance. Again, this is Floral Lang Lang. This is my favorite perfume by far. I'm telling you, like, I'm just gonna spray it again because this stuff is still on my clothes. Like, I love how it smells. Like, even when I put my clothes in the dirty clothes and it has that smell still, like, I'm telling you guys, that's how long lasting this perfume is. So if you're looking for a womanly, sexy type fragrance, this is definitely it. Check this out, and I will have that information in the description box for you guys. And remember to use my code ANIYA10 so you can get money off. Other fragrances do range from $29 to about $59, $60, $70, and so forth. But again, you are getting it at an affordable price as opposed to getting like a Chanel or a Gucci or a YSL for about what, $150 to $180, maybe $200. So it's definitely worth it.
Always scared of us, what this might become. Ain't no going back no more, no more. We're in the same bed, can I lay your weight? Let's fill up this space with us.
so far from silhouette.
feel it coming. Got a rush like I'm running, babe. I'm looking for something. Oh, I feel it coming. Got a rush like I'm running, babe. I'm looking for something. No more, no more, no more, no more, no more, no more, no more,
So as you can see here, this is the full install of the unit. Okay, you can see these waves. Look at these waves, you guys. And this is from me putting water in the hair. And I did do the Eco Styling Gel. Now you guys, I will keep saying this, I think Eco Styling Gel is the best product to use when you're trying to like get those waves to like come out. And then also when you're trying to get curls to come out, Eco Styling Gel is definitely it. Like I said before, you guys, I did decide to go ahead and do a middle part, and then I also did bleach the knots. I did over bleach it just a little bit, as you guys can see with the roots. But with over bleaching, all you have to do if you find yourself over bleaching with the knots, you can use some mascara, and then the wispy part of the mascara that you use on your eyelashes, all you gotta do is stroke it across the roots, and then you're just fine. Like, I don't have my mascara with me. I would do it because I did it the other day, but because I did that on another wig. But you can most definitely do that. I'll probably do that on one of my wigs because I don't know, sometimes I over bleach, but I rather have it a little over bleached than it not being bleached at all, because I be needing this hair to blend. And so this middle part, you guys, it was very, very easy to do. I feel like this wig was already pre-plucked. So when the wig is already pre-plucked, it basically kind of shows you like the part, like it gives you an easier way of parting. So this unit was almost like already in the middle part. So when I separated the hair, all I had to do was just make a precise middle part and to get it down the middle, and then pluck it just a little bit just to make it a little more natural, because it's already like in a pre-plucked type of look. But I just feel like sometimes, you know, it could be just a little bit of tightness sometimes in the parting. So yeah, I plucked that. And then I also, as you guys can see, I also did use my contour powder. Sometimes I do use concealer to also blend my part, but this time I used the contour powder. Now what I'm wearing under it is more so of a nude stocking cap, but I did also put the concealer, my NARS concealer, on the cap, so that like when I put it on there, it blends really, really good. I loved that I bleached these knots, you guys. Definitely bleach this unit, because I feel like this unit is a clear lace. And like I stated before, when you're doing like a clear type of lace, not that I'm saying the lace is hard to blend, but sometimes if you find that the lace is a little bit clearer than your actual like skin tone, it's definitely important that you bleach the knots. And then I don't know, I'm trying to find because I take off my wigs at the end of the night every day, because I always have a new video to film. I'm trying to find a new way, instead of using the Ghost Bond glue all the time, to maybe use a Got To Be glue adhesive, the clear glue that you just put on instead of the spray. So I may start doing that, and I'll let you guys know how that goes. I'll probably do an install with that glue just to see, instead of using the almighty Bond glue, I can just use the clear, you know, the clear Got To Be glue instead of using that. Now with baby hairs, you guys, it was very easy to pull off the baby hairs. The hair is customized really well. The hair is super duper soft, so pulling out those baby hairs, it comes straight out of the, basically out of the lace. Now this hair is definitely a yucky texture before you put product in it. I did get some slight shedding, and that was when I put the product in it. It was coming out just a little bit on the ends, but you know, that happens most of the time if I'm doing like a curly unit or a wavy unit. Sometimes like when you're just like finger combing it and you're putting that product through it, some hair is bound to come out. Not too much, but you know, that usually happens with these type of units. And you guys, also this is Cynosure Hair's packaging. So in the packaging, it comes in a pretty pinkish hot pink bag. Then inside the bag, they also do provide you with lashes, and then they also provide you with a wig cap, which is good. I love when they put lashes in the bag, and actually the lashes look really good. They look nice and full, just like I like them. So I'll definitely be installing those soon. And you guys, this hair is 24 inches and it goes to, I would say, about my boob area, just a little past my boob area. So it's pretty long to be a 24 inch. I think 24 inches is the shortest length I'll go, because I could do 24 inches and longer. I love 24 inches. I think it's just perfect. So this wig is definitely true to length. This will be the end of this video, you guys. Make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit your post notification bell so every time I post you don't miss an update. Make sure you look in the description box so you guys can check out this unit. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next one.